is up, my beautiful darlings? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am installing this beautiful ombre pixie cut wig. This is completely out of my comfort zone, but I absolutely love the way that it turned out. This is giving very much fall, y'all. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the video. I will link the wig in my description box, but I just absolutely love this wig. It's very soft, very easy to work with. All I did was use some Godspeed spray, installed it, added some water, and just styled it the way I wanted to. So let's go ahead and get into this install. Alright guys, so this is the wig that I am going to be putting on. I don't know if I can see that, but it is a Pixie Wig that an Amazon hair company sent to me, and it comes with the wig cap. 2 wig caps are in here, so it's just like the brown one, which is the one I usually use. Oh my gosh, I love the color of this. Now y'all know with wigs I don't do much to it. I don't pluck, I don't bleach, I don't do nothing. I just plop it on my head, girl. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. This is how it looks. This is the frontal piece, so it's a complete frontal on the front. It's really soft. I absolutely love the color. It's like a bronze blonde. Love it. Go ahead and put on this wig cap that I used previously. I no longer color my wig cap with my foundation anymore because I don't know, I just feel like it makes a mess and it irritates my scalp after a couple days. So I just leave the plain wig cap like so. And when I cut it, I leave these 2 little tabs so I can tighten it once I put it on. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all what I do. I just install it regularly. I don't do anything special, so I don't want to talk your heads off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all watch what I do.
To me, I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. Don't need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Get in the kitchen. history. Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. Down there, you know, no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Get in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a lip, they say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't want to switching for you. Perfect, perfect, you're too good to be true. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. With you. So boy, I'm trying to reach your mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. I need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a lip, they say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't want to switching for you. Get in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a lip, they say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't want to switching for you. There's some shit that I usually don't do, but for you I kinda want to. 'Cause you're down for me, and I'm down to. Yeah, I'm down to switching in positions for you. There's some shit that I usually don't do, so for you I kinda want to. 'Cause you're down for me, and I'm down to. Switching in positions for you. Kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. Let me say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. Switching for you. Get in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a little, say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. Switching for you. Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. Down there, you know, no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Get in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'ma need a lip, they say I'm coming through. I'ma love it, and there's nothing I wouldn't
And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Absolutely love the way that this wig came out. Y'all, I'm telling y'all right now, this color is giving. Please go add this to your cart right now. It is super affordable, so go ahead and buy it right now. I would love to see how it looks on you, so please do let me know if you decide to buy it and install it. But thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!
I think I'm crazy. Yeah, I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly,